Hey guys, welcome to Beanie Jean. If you're new, we have an exciting video for today. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you are returning, then you do know that I am getting a dog soon. Soon being today, like in 2 hours. So I'm ridiculously excited, as you very well know. But today is going to be a kind of a haul, a new puppy haul from Chewy.com. So I ordered all this stuff myself with my own money. So I'm just going to let you know about my experience and what I got. So first and foremost, this is my second order from them. All the stuff down here came in the first order. And basically what happened was the food that I got my dog originally, he apparently doesn't do well with it. It was like a Taste of the Wild salmon based food. And it turns out he doesn't do well with fish-based food, period, or fish oil. So I called Chewy. I let them know the situation, and I was very willing to either return or exchange the food for another one since I'm going to have to buy him food. So I was like, yeah, just let me know what I need to do. And the customer service person was just like, yeah, we'll refund you for the food, and don't worry about returning it, just donate it to a local shelter. And I was like, wow, that is so nice. Like, it's like a $50 bag of food. So, you know, most more expensive things, they would like want you to send it back just because it's more expensive. But no, they were really awesome about it. So I will be donating that Taste of the Wild food to some local shelter. But getting into the actual stuff that I got. And this is Winnie, my roommate's cat. Alright, so starting with the stuff that I got in the last order. So first things first was toys. I didn't know what kind of toys my dog would like most, so I got some like general ones. So this is just like a ball of kind of like knots, and so they can chew on it, and that's pretty simple. And then this one has a hollow center, so you can put like filling and stuff in it or freeze it. So I thought that both of those would be good. I don't know if he's like a hard chewer or like a super chewer, or if he does well with softer toys. So I have like a stuffed animal if he wants that, so kind of giving some options. The next essential was poop bags. Some of the stuff that I got is like Frisco brand, which is Chewy's like own super endorsed brand, and so their stuff is usually cheaper than the rest. So I got the poop bags. They're scented, and I got the planet friendly ones, so they're biodegradable. Since I'm going to be using them, might as well not harm the environment in the process, you know. So the next thing I got is this Buddy Wash. It is a shampoo. It's actually shampoo and conditioner, 2-in-1, so which is good because I only need one. But it's lavender and mint flavor, or not flavor. He's not gonna eat it. Lavender and mint scented, and I read the reviews. They really liked it, and it smells really good. So that's just that. And then next we have. Can I have these, Winnie? Next, I got some treats. This is also the Chewy's like food brand, American Journey. I thought about getting their actual food, but I went with something else. But I got the treats. So there are these oven-baked dog treats in the lamb recipe. Again, no fish. But they have a lot of like flavors. They have chicken, salmon, lamb. I think they have a beef flavor or something like that. So yeah, so I got those. So that's what was in the first order, as well as the bigger things, which I'll insert a clip. So I got his crate from there. It's a 36-inch crate, and it was literally $36. Most crates are like $20 more than the actual size that they are. So say if it was like a 40-inch crate, it would usually be like $60. So I got a 36, and it was $36. And then I got him a little pet mat. I'll just take it over there. Got him a pet mat, and yeah. So this is the crate. I just threw the towel in there. And then that is his pet bed. Yeah, and the crate came flat. It was super easy to assemble and everything like that. It has the 2 doors. So yeah. Next we'll get into the actual box of things that I got this morning. As far as their shipping, I basically call it the Amazon for dogs. Not for dogs. The Amazon for pet supplies. Because they have the same prices. I've compared the two. And their shipping is literally a day or 2, maybe 3. It's pretty fast is what I'm saying. I ordered this on the 9th, and today is the 11th. So yeah, 2 days. There you go. And that was like their flat rate, no extra cost for that. So yeah, it's like you having Amazon Prime, but standard. So we'll open the box. Get some paper. So some of the smaller stuff I got. So first I got this dog training lead. I think this one is 15 feet. So when I take him to the park and stuff, we don't have enough trust yet to do off leash, just running. So I got this extra long lead for training, like when you're teaching your dog to come and stuff like that. It's really useful. And then I got him these little bag of training treats. I'm pretty sure this was like $2. But yeah, mini training wars, bacon flavor, and yeah, there's approximately 200 in this little bag. So that'll come in handy. He's already knows some commands from his foster family and training. So we're just gonna reinforce those. And the last thing is this huge bag of dog food. So I went with Diamond Naturals. So I asked him what food he eats now at the training facility that he's at, and they're like the Diamond brand, but they're just regular, like, basic formula. So I went through the brand, went on their website, see if it was something that I was looking for in my dog food, and it was. So I decided to go with the same brand, but I wanted to choose a different line, which was the Naturals line. And so I called their company, and I was like, this is what he eats now. This is the line I want to change into. What is, like, the parallel in the different lines. So the lady recommended the All Life Stages dog food. And it's the chicken and rice flavor. So hopefully he likes it. And yeah, that is everything I got. So this is kind of like a Chewy haul, but also what to get for your first dog, minus a couple things like the leash and stuff like that, which I got from somewhere else. But my experience with Chewy was great. So if you have any comments or questions, make sure to put them down below. And like this video for all of the upcoming puppy videos that are, like, y'all, I can't even speak. Like, he's coming today. I just don't even know. And then Winnie over here is trying to get into my food. But yeah, like the video. Subscribe for all the upcoming rescue dog videos. Like the video just because Winnie is adorable. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.